If you've been seeing ads for Elycura Gum Gel claiming to repair gums overnight, stop bleeding within 72 hours, and save you thousands on dental treatments, you might be wondering whether it's a breakthrough solution or just clever marketing. Elycura Gum Gel is promoted as a bioactive gum repair formula containing 0.2% hyaluronic acid, an ingredient known for its moisture retention and tissue support properties. And the idea behind the formula is that applying it before sleep allows the gel to coat the gums and support natural healing while you rest. The product positions itself as an easy at-home option for people dealing with gum irritation, bleeding, or sensitivity. And its promise of noticeable improvement in a short period is clearly designed to appeal to anyone trying to avoid costly dental visits. However, there are several factors that deserve careful consideration before making a purchase decision. Some promotional materials use urgency tactics such as limited-time discounts of up to 65%, which can pressure buyers into quick decisions. And certain product images circulating online appear to be generic stock visuals rather than original clinical documentation. In addition, claims suggesting rapid bleeding control within 72 hours and dramatic savings compared to professional treatment should be evaluated realistically, since gum health typically depends on consistent oral hygiene, diet, and professional care when needed. While hyaluronic acid has recognized supportive properties in oral care products, no topical gel can replace scaling, deep cleaning, or periodontal therapy when those are required. Elycura Gum Gel may serve as a supportive addition to a daily oral care routine, but expectations should remain balanced. And anyone with persistent gum issues should consider professional dental advice alongside any over-the-counter solution.